There are two types of TCAs that are most common. That's the contact seminars and the thematic activities.
The specific and thematic training courses addressing both newcomers and already experienced organizations in terms of writing, submitting and implementing a project. Contact seminars create the space and the context for you to find future partners. Conferences or thematic research activities. There are for sure any type of activities that may be suitable for you and for your organizations. Schools, universities, public or private organizations, NGOs, adult education or vocational education and training organizations. TCAs are suitable for you, for your personal or professional development, addressing teachers, principals, all kind of stuff coming from your organization.